Creating a rain effect in CapCut PC is simple. First, open CapCut and import the video you want to edit. Drag your video to the timeline and resize it. Go to the Effects tab and search for rain. Drag and drop the rain effect on to the video. Afterwards, go to the Audio tab and search for rain again. Drag and drop the sound effect. Add sound effects for realism. Use color grading to enhance the rainy mood. Try lightning effects for a stormy look. Preview the video, and if you are satisfied, then export it.